Good morning or afternoon. I'm not confident I'm going to get this one out by Saturday at 10:30. There's a couple of reasons for that. Life gets busy sometimes, and then sometimes you just get real sad and you can't pick up your project, so you don't. But that's okay. So, I had to come up with a real quick project to do to get something out for you guys this week. At first I was gonna crochet something, but then I thought I don't want to do that. So I was looking through other things I've made in the past, and I found this apron that I made maybe last summer before I started this channel, and it's really cute, but it's just plain, you know? And I would like something that's a little more fun. So I was thinking, with this really nice little bib, I would embroider a bit. And maybe shorten, would you call this the skirt of the apron? Because I'm gonna shorten that, I think, by quite a bit. It's just too long for my clothing, so it looks a little funny when I wear it. Yeah. Let's get to embroidery this week. Ooh. So, I wanted to take you outside to show you the apron, before I do anything to it. It's cute. I have a little snap in the back to keep my straps in place. I'm gonna switch that out with a hook and eye because if I move, I just pop it right open. So, place that with a hook and eye, put a little embroidered something along here, and shorten the hem. I think I'm gonna shorten it a good amount because a lot of my skirts come just below my knee, and I'd like it to fall right about there as well. So, yeah, that's the plan. All right, hello again. So, I've got the bib on my embroidery hoop. Now we're going to sketch out a little design. I probably should have ironed this first. If you intend on adding embroidery to something you already own, iron it. That's good practice. Do as I say, not as I do, you know? So I've got my handy dandy disappearing ink pen, and I just got some really pretty like handkerchiefs and stuff. Vintage, of course. And I really enjoy the embroidery on it. This is kind of what made me want to embroider something on my apron in the first place, because I think it's so lovely and so delicate and so fun to just have something like this on a very basic white piece. Also, if you see any dirt stains, don't mind them. I garden in this apron a lot. So I brought this handkerchief out just kind of to show you the kind of feel I want to go for this apron. Although I think I'm going to be drawing little sprigs of lavender, because I love lavender. Lavender's so beautiful. Oh yeah, it doesn't do that. So, how do I want to do this? Also, if you get your hands on a air and water soluble ink pen, oh, they're so good. I love this goddamn pen. I use it all the time. You've seen me use it all the time, and I just assume you know it's disappearing ink and don't say anything. But I also enjoy the chaos of people not realizing. So, design. Let's do that. Stop procrastinating, Kim. Okay. Hello. So I finished my embroidery, and now it is time to shorten the hem on this apron. So originally I was just going to unpick it and roll it up, but I figured that would be way too thick of a hem, and I do not want to deal with that. So, do I have any idea how long I want this? No. Do I ever? No. No, I do not. Should probably at least iron this out a little bit before I start hacking away, you know? If you ever wonder why I choose to go with a thicker hem on these things, the skirts and aprons, there's a practical reason for it. Well, a couple practical reasons. One, this helps weigh the skirt down, so it's less likely to fly up on you if there's a good little gust of wind. And two, if you ever need to like replace a cloth button or anything, you can just undo the hem a little bit, pull out whatever, cut out whatever fabric you might need, and fix her up. Also, you can shorten and lengthen with the hem, as you know. And you know, sometimes you want a nice cute short skirt and other times you want something longer. So I'm going to whip stitch this down and add my hook and eye, and when I'm back, this is all going to be done. A very easy day project. Well, I'm done now. I have finished making my apron in, I'd say, about 6 hours, so that's really not too bad. Embroidery and hand sewing takes quite a bit of time, but I would say if you want a nice easy day project, consider grabbing something from your stash of clothes that you don't usually wear and add on to it a little. I had a lot of fun adding on to this, and I intend to add on more later. Yeah. I think that's about all I have for this video, but if you enjoy watching me make things and do stuff, consider subscribing and leaving a like, and you know, I upload every other Saturday, and I'll see you next time. Bye.